So something to smile about not gone already?
No.
So the balloon dancing thing was
on
what?
a Friday, everything is something to smile about. It's Pink Day, guys, so our producer is tapping in with the game decor. Nev and I have 5 questions to answer, each of us. If we get them wrong, we have to pop a balloon. But since everybody's a winner, our producer has packed some special gifts in the balloons for us. Of course she has. All lies. All right, so how does this go? Who gets the first question?
All right, go and go first, man. What is the first question?
It's alternating questions.
What 2 colors make pink
Red
when
and
mixed
white.
together? White and red, white and purple, yellow and red and orange.
Red and white, red and white,
What she just said, red and white. Next one is mine. Red and white, right?
Yes.
We don't know yet. Where's the answer? White and red. All right. She got one right. I bet you might want to know what pink middle name is.
N.
In what country is a cake called Pink Panther very popular? Well, it wouldn't be Spain or France. Canada.
Why wouldn't it?
They don't know English. The rest of them.
Man, I wonder if you got that wrong. It's on Francish. Oh, it's Spain.
Oh, you're wrong too.
No
All
way.
right, so you have a bossa.
Go on. Come. Now, can I get something to really burst the balloon with, though? Really?
I'm sorry. Yes! Because we come and buy one, so that never going to buy one. Nope, that's not. What a wicked Omer, man. Next question is yours. Here.
Next question. What is the real name of the American female artist known as Pink? What's your name, Jody?
Jody cannot help.
I'm going to say Emily.
No, sir. Me say Alicia.
Oh, you're probably right. Which one is it? Are the both of us wrong?
Alicia, Neville Bell.
It's just some fudge stick. You
Mark
could at least
question.
have put a fudge on it, though.
Mark question.
Tamayo.
The pink ribbon is associated with raising awareness for what disease?
Really, Tom?
Breast cancer.
Easy, cheesy. Why you never just hand him a trophy?
Go
on again.
What's the name of the company that produces the popular hair product Pink Lotion?
Lustas.
There. So right? Oh, you know that?
Everybody knows that.
But I never know that.
You don't use it.
Next one is me. What are pink and shears? Secateurs, scissors with a sawtooth edge, scissors with more than 2 blades, scissors with a snub nose.
Pinking shears?
Pinking shears. And
What
I don't know
what
what
is
a
a
secateurs. I don't know what's a secateur.
Stuff for sabotage.
I say, well, me don't know no scissors with more than 2 blades. So is
What
either,
would pinking be?
I don't know.
As a verb.
Snub nose.
2 blades. Oh. I don't know another balloon. Here. A business card? What's it say?
Aria McDonald. Who retired 14,000 years ago.
Okay.
Which one it was?
I don't see anything.
Which one it was?
The sawtooth.
Oh, me know that.
Where's Pink Lane?
I know where Pink Lane is.
Kingston.
Yes, it is Kingston. Yeah, you're right. That is so easy.
What's that? All map. Okay.
How much I get? Is only one I get, right? I get 2. And see him get how much. But we have to go to the news. I'm so disappointed. I could play this game until 15 o'clock. I'm very disappointed. But we have to go to the news in 5.
Who win?
You know, so come.